Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So how we can use the trigonometrical ratios in the complementary angles? Here complementary angle means two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equal to 90. This already you know. So therefore angle A plus angle B is equal to 90. Sum of the two angles is equal to 90. Then angle A and angle B are complementary angles. This is the definition of complementary angles. So here now this complementary angles we should apply for the trigonometrical ratios. This is the one triangle ABC. This is 90 degrees right angle triangle. One angle you let it be the X. Okay. So this second angle is what? So here we let it angle A is equal to X degrees, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, angle C we needed. So sum of the angles of the triangle is sum of the angles of the triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A means X, angle B means 90, angle C we have to find out 180 degrees. So angle C is equal to 90 degrees and X you take right side, 180 minus 90 minus X. This is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 minus X. So angle C is 90 minus X. These are the three angles of the triangle. So in this case, again you come back to the sides of the triangle. If X is the angle, AB is the adjacent side, BC is the opposite side, AC is the hypotenuse. When if angle is X, this is the adjacent side. Sides are very important. This is the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse. So same triangle. Now again I am drawing here ABC 90 degrees, but here if you take the angle 90 minus X, if you consider the angle C, this is the adjacent side, this is the opposite side, this is the hypotenuse. So I remember that the first triangle is with the angle A, respect of A. Second triangle is respect of C, angle C, that is 90 minus X. These two remember it. So now we go back to the trigonometrical ratios. First you write the formulas of first triangle. First triangle trigonometrical ratios, sin X is equal to opposite side, that is BC by AC. Okay. Second one, cos X, this is adjacent side by, that is AB by AC. Similarly tan X is BC by AB, opposite side by adjacent side. Cot X, AB by BC. Okay. So secant X, that is AC, hypotenuse by AB, adjacent side. Cosecant X, that is AC by BC. So these are the 6 trigonometrical ratios about the first triangle. Okay. Now about the second triangle, sine 90 minus x, because angle we are taking as a C. So sine 90 minus means sine theta is opposite side, that is AB by AC, right? Opposite side by adjacent side. So here you see AB by AC means, here what is AB by AC here? Cos x. So AB by AC is equal to AB by AC. These two are same means this is cos x. Okay. So AB by AC is equal to cos x. AB by AC means I am writing cos x. How you got AB by AC means sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus x is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. AB by AC means cos x. So this is the sin 90 minus x is equal to cos x. This is the complementary angle ratio. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, or sin 90 minus x is equal to cos x. This is the one formula. Okay. Next one, similarly cos 90 minus x. Cos 90 minus theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. BC by AC. So here BC by AC is what here? BC by AC is sin x. So that is sin x. Now our formula is cos 90 minus x is equal to sin x. This is the second formula. Next one. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is, here it is AB. Adjacent side is BC. So in this first triangle, AB by BC is where it is, you see AB by BC is cot x. So you write it cot x. Now our formula is tan 90 minus x is equal to cot x. The third formula is also over. Now cot 90 minus x. So this is cot 90 minus theta means adjacent side by opposite side, that is BC by AB. So BC by AB, where it is, you see here, this is BC by AB means tan x. So you write it tan x. Now our formula is cot 90 minus x is equal to tan x. This is another formula. So secant 90 minus x. So secant 90 minus theta means hypotenuse, that is AC by adjacent side BC. AC by BC. So in this one, AC by BC is what? AC by BC is cosecant x. Cosecant x. So here formula is secant 90 minus x is equal to cosecant x. This is the formula. So last one, cosecant 90 minus x. Cosecant 90 minus x is hypotenuse, that is AC by opposite side AB. So in this triangle AC by AB, AC by AB is your secant x. Secant x. Now our formula is cosecant 90 minus x is equal to secant x. Okay, these are the trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. So again I will explain you that one paper for remembrance. First one, complementary angles formula, sin 90 minus x is equal to cos x. Second one, cos 90 minus x is equal to sin x. Third one, tan 90 minus x is equal to cot x. cot 90 minus x is equal to tan x. Fifth one, secant 90 minus x is equal to cosecant x. Cosecant 90 minus x is equal to secant x. So by this you can recognize it. Sin 90 minus means cos x, we are written. Cos 90 minus x means sin, we are written. These two are opposite to each other. These two you observe it. Tan 90 minus x means cot x. Cot 90 minus x means tan x. These two are observe it. Secant 90 minus x is equal to cosecant x. Cosecant 90 minus x is equal to secant x. Okay, these two are one group, these two are one group, these two are in this case. So these are the complementary angles formulas. Very easy. So just you go through the notes. First you write down all these things. Okay, write it. Then once you read, afterwards you listen again and again, then it will be perfect. So trigonometry, if you read all these, trigonometry is very easy for you. Okay.